Bada boom, bada bing. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we've got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So as I said in my last video, we're gonna be doing a mod walk around in today's video because a lot of people have been asking me, Aing, what all have you done to your truck, buddy? What's stock, what's not? So in today's video, we're gonna be sharing all of those details. But first, a like, a comment, and a subscription would be much appreciated because, well, these mods, well, most of them were not cheap. We'll go ahead and start up front. We'll go from this side all the way around until we meet back up in the front because, well, it just seems like, I don't know, it just seems like a good way to do things. So the bull bar was actually the last modification I've done to this Toyota Tacoma. If you're interested in the way the bull bar looks, there you go. If you're not a fan, I think I'm kind of there with you. Right now, I'm really struggling keeping it on. This nice weather is not making it any better for me. It just seems like it's a little bit much, but I don't know if I want to get rid of it completely, so I might just put it in storage for a little while. But yeah, the bull bar. Number 2, the Aing logo on the Toyota sensor. Now, this is by far one of my favorite mods. This logo cover, you can literally do whatever you want. I just like having Aing on it, but you could literally put anything. But that's number 2. I think it's absolutely sick. Number 2.5, like a 2.5 type thing, we blacked out half of the grill. Plasti Dip works wonders. I will say this, if you have to spend 30 minutes prepping, do it, okay? If not, you're gonna spend an hour and a half cleaning up the mess that you did. I put bags all over it, taped it all down, and did the job, and it came out good. But I did overspray a little bit on this side, and it was a pain, okay, a pain to get rid of. Continuing up front, the black headlight housing, I think this looks very nice. I'm not too happy with the quality of it, but as of right now, it is holding up very well. Also up front, these are not normal headlights. So we got LED high beams, LED fog lights. Those, Aing, are not fog lights. LED fog lights, LED low beams, they are all looking very snazzy, all provided by the same company. So if you're interested, link down below, 15% off if you use my discount code. Other than that, we are going to be doing something up front. I don't think you guys know or even have the slightest idea of what I'm going to do to the skid plate, but you're going to be involved. I promise, literally you will be involved. Moving on, we did put the YouTube banner logo thingy mabobber, I don't know, slogan, be amazing, on the windshield. I think it looks cool. I saw a Challenger with one of these and I didn't know what it was saying, and then it said move over, so I got out the way because well, it was a 65 and we could only go like 25 with these big boys. So yeah, perfect transition. 285 75 R16 with the General Grabber ATXs. These tires are amazing, very nice. They look aggressive, they look mean. I take back what I said about them looking nice. They don't look nice, they look mean and aggressive. You don't want to get in their way, Pebbles. They are a load range E, so they're stiff. Not really. I like that I could kind of like flick it and not have to worry about damaging it. I'm sorry, you have to watch my videos. Pro Comp wheels, 69 series, 16x8 with the -12 offset. I think they look very nice. Just a perfect amount of poke. I know some people go -10, some people go -12, some people go -35. Kind of just depends on how much cutting you want to do. And we got, I don't know why I did that, we got some side steps. These are not rock sliders. A lot of people ask me if they're rock sliders. So if you're a mall crawler that wants to look like a rock crawler, these are the side steps you want to pick up to look cool but not really be cool. You know what I'm saying? You got to look the part to play the part. So Odro, I'm not sure. These are sent out to me. This is probably one of the coolest things that has been sent out to me. They look very aggressive, very rugged, and it literally took like 30 minutes to install. Inside of here, bada boom, bada bing, a gas cap holder. These, I don't know if I need them. I don't know if I would buy it again or receive it again, but why not? It's cool. Back here, we do have a Deaver add-a-leaf, just a single leaf to add to that leaf pack. Was it necessary? No. Do I like it? Yes. Do I regret it? No. I love it. If you guys don't know, this is my favorite modification as far as like emotions go and just how fun it was to get this, okay? DIY is another way to spell Aing, and I'm not the best at DIYing by any means. I bought a bunch of floor mats from Walmart. I tried to DIY it together. YouTube said no, like absolutely no. So we had to go pick this up, and it was a lot cheaper than I expected, and I love it. It's perfect. Every truck needs it. Like, I will never ever own a truck without it ever again. We got some storage for the bed. Yes, they're just Walmart crates, but they hold my stuff. Also, I thought I lost that tripod. I'm glad I know where it is now. Back here, we got the 4x4 emblem. We got the Tacoma badging in chrome and then in black. You get what I'm doing. Nothing here yet. Wink, wink. Chrome. plasti dip. This is what I meant. When I installed this, I said this thing is gonna get abused. People were like, oh, what do you mean? This is what I mean. Extended thread lug nuts. A lot of people don't know you need this, but you do. But extended thread lug nuts, I had to buy 2 sets of these. Each was like 75 or 50 bucks. I don't remember. So yeah, I bought them. 2 sets. I still have 12 in black and 12 in chrome sitting at home. Up front, we got the Bilstein 5100 OME Spring 2888. It is absolutely awesome. 2.75 inches of lift. In reality, it's only like 2.5, but don't tell my ego that, please. Heading on in to the inside. On the inside, we have done, actually not that much. LED lights, storage compartments, more storage compartments, all linked down below if you're interested. Our own little system for things that if you just need to grab, like a little knife, flashlight, multi-tool, it's just there in case you need it. I know it's small, but this is like one of my favorite things. I did that. I made a Toyota vinyl thing that says, well, it doesn't say, but it's the Oh Sugar Honey Iced Tea handlebars. No one uses them except for Sandy's mom, who is vertically challenged and needs help to grab this and kind of, yeah. Also, this is a boot. My dad told me he found it outside and he said it was Elvis Presley's boot. Just carry it in the truck. I don't know. I like it though. Other than that, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what mod you guys want to see on the Tacoma coming up next. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. All of these modifications will be linked down below. At least for the most part, they will be. If not, just comment Aing. But without further ado, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Naudi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Also, before I go, take a look at this super sick, super nasty Voodoo Blue Toyota Tacoma. And then all the other cool Tacomas.